Thank you for calling Fahrenheit. This is Karen. How can I help you?
Isn't there a commercial heating and air conditioning company I can trust that has a better way to service, maintain, and protect my capital HVAC equipment investment? A company that can make my job easier and give my employees a safe, clean, comfortable environment? I need a company that has a consistent service plan that will save me money by eliminating breakdowns and high utility costs, but has the value I need to profit.
We can help you, sir. We help business owners, operators, and building managers with the same concerns and frustrations. We understand your problems and hear them every day. Fahrenheit has created a unique, proven service system that gives all of our commercial HVAC clients the consistent servicing, standardized repair and replacement pricing, along with the most knowledgeable workforce in the industry, giving you the ultimate in comfort, security, service, and savings. So, as you can see, sir, you can rest assured that we're here for you. Sir? Sir? Call today or complete our website commercial building questionnaire to have Fahrenheit make your life easier today.